Hey everyone, this is Steve from WebAiry. Today I'm going to show you how to check the network performance on VPS. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to log into your VPS and right-click on this network icon. Open Network and Sharing Center. Click on Ethernet. Here you can verify the Ethernet speed. It is 1 GB on my VPS. It must be 1 GB at least for better performance. Also keep in mind that this is just a network connectivity of your VPS. It's nothing like that. You will get the same speed over internet as well. So now let's go to the Chrome browser and check internet speed. Open fast.com and when you click enter, you will see it start testing your bandwidth or internet speed. So in my case it's 240 megabits per second and it is your download speed, and when you click show more info then it start testing the upload speed as well. So the upload speed is also around 170 megabits per second. In my case, which is pretty fine, and this is how you can check the network bandwidth and your connectivity. One more thing which I would like to highlight here. Go to VPS blue bar and click connection info. It shows that how is the connectivity between your system and your VPS. It's nothing related that the VPS is having a low bandwidth or something. So it's just showing, for example, if you are using 10 megabits per second internet connection, it should be good. But if you are using on only 2 megabits per second internet connection, so it's definitely not good. So it's totally depend on your connectivity. How much internet speed you are getting on your local internet services provider. I hope you like this video. Feel free to ask your question in the comments section. Keep sharing. Thank you.